Here guys, we have 6 squared minus 4 times 3. Common mistake, multiply before exponent, right? 4 times 3, 4 times 3 equals 12, right? Then 6 squared equals 6 times 6 equals 36. Then 36 minus 12 equals 24. But this is not correct. Wait, actually this gives the same answer. Let me try another common mistake. Subtract first 6 squared, right? 36, right? And then 36 minus 4. 36 minus 4. This 4, right? Equals 32. Then 32 times 3 equals 96. But this is not correct. Correct solution, solve again. Exponents first, right? So 6 squared equals 36 minus 4 times 3. Then step 2, multiply first, right? 36 minus 4 times 3 equals 12. And then now 36 minus 12 equals 24, right? 24.